When you see the white caps in the Inner Harbor, you know it's windy. Since early Monday morning, the Baltimore area experienced sustained winds of 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts up to 60. According to rescue crews in Cecil County, multiple tractor-trailer accidents happened on the Tidings Bridge on I-95, including this one where a gust of wind blew the truck over into the center lane. Truck drivers we spoke with say windy conditions and tractor-trailers simply don't mix.
I mean, it's pretty bad. I mean, I got about 40,000 pounds on my trailer, and it's still blowing me, so it's, yeah, I imagine if you got an empty trailer, it's pretty tough.
In Montgomery County, the wind downed a lot of trees, including these, which fell onto homes and an apartment building in Chevy Chase. Closer to home, BGE at one time had more than 10,000 people without power, mainly because of downed lines like these here in Reisterstown. Downed lines also led to a number of road closures in several Baltimore area counties. And currently, BGE is reporting less than 500 outages at this hour, most of those in Baltimore, Carroll, and Howard counties. As far as high wind gusts today, the highest one being reported was in PG County at 72 miles per hour. As far as the local airports are concerned, out of PWI Marshall, they had one at 47 miles per hour. We're live in Reisterstown. I'm Lowell Melser, WBAL TV 11 News.
Lowell, thank